Now here we have a building which is 30-meter high, denoted by AB. We have a boy having height 1.5 centimeter, and this boy is looking towards the top of the building. Okay, so this is the line of sight with respect to the horizontal CE. The angle of elevation made at this position by the boy with respect to the top of the building is 30 degree. Now after some time the boy walks towards the building and still looks at the top of the building, such that the angle made with the horizontal C-E is 60 degree. The boy is walking towards the building, so I have denoted with the height of the boy with C-D'. Okay, so the angle made, that is angle AC-E, is 60 degree. We have to find out this distance C', how far he has walked towards the building. So we have two triangles. One is triangle AC-E, another one is ACE. We will try to find out these lengths, that is CE, C', and CE, and then we will get what? The distance that is covered, that is CC'. So let us begin with the bigger triangle first. In right triangle, I am taking the right triangle ACE, this ACE. In right triangle ACE, we have to take length AE. So this length AE we will find out in this manner by first taking the trigonometric ratios. In right triangle ACE, 10, 30 is equal to opposite AE upon the adjacent. Adjacent is CE. Now how do we find out this AE? 10, 30 is 1 by root 3. Now AE we can find it out as AB minus EB, since A dash, E dash, B. CE तो we have to find out. Okay, so therefore 1 upon root 3, AB is how much? 30, and EB will be how much? It will be 1.5, since this quadrilateral CDBE is a rectangle. So we write this as 30 minus 1.5, since quadrilateral CDBE is a rectangle. It is a rectangle. Therefore, CD is equal to EB is equal to 1.5 meter upon CE. So that gives you 1 upon root 3 is equal to, we get the value as 28.5 upon CE. Now to get that length CE, therefore CE is equal to 28.5 multiplied by root 3 meter. We got CE. Okay, CE is how much? 28.5 root 3 meter. Now we come to this triangle, the smaller triangle, that is triangle AC-E. Okay, there also we are going to apply which trigonometric ratio? The tan trigonometric ratio. Okay, so in triangle AC-E, now in right triangle AC-E, now we have 1060. 1060 will be equal to what? AE upon C''E. AE upon C''E. So it will be equal to AE upon C''E. 1060 is root 3. Now how much is our this thing AE? This AE will be again 28.5. Yes or no? So 28.5 C''E. Now C''E will be equal to 28.5 upon root 3, which we can rationalize here as 28.5 into root 3 upon 3. Now this gets cancelled. 3 1s are 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15. So it makes 9.5 into root 3, that is your C dash E. Now what do we have to find out? We have to find out the distance that is traveled by this boy from this position to this position. That means we have to find out distance CC dash. Okay. So to find CC dash, now we write distance traveled or distance walked towards the building. Towards the building is nothing but CC dash, which is equal to CE minus C dash E. Now CE is how much? 28.5 root 3 minus C dash E is how much? 9.5 root 3. We can take out root 3 common. 28.5 minus 9.5 into root 3. So you get 0.5 minus 0.5, 0. Here 9, 19 root 3 meter is the distance he walked towards what? Towards the building. So this is the distance he walked towards the building.